Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing a fish curry. Fish and potato curry, Indian style, absolutely delicious. Really one of my favorites this is. I'm using a cod, like a white fish, but you could be using any type of fish you want. We've got some beautiful spices in there. It's really delicious. Let us go and do it. Okay, let's get started on this. What we're going to do first is take a look at these ingredients and we're going to get them in a blender to make a nice smooth paste. So, some tomatoes chopped, cilantro or coriander, fresh chili, and in here I've got 4 powders, equal parts of, like a teaspoon each, of chili, cumin, coriander and turmeric. So let's get those in the food processor, blend it up, then I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so that's done. As you saw, so we've got a lovely little puree there. I've got some potatoes, and the fish I'm using today is like a cod or hamor, cut into kind of nice cubes. So a nice white fish with, you know, it's a fillet, no skin on it, no bones in there. You could be using something else, salmon if you wanted. Some chopped onions, chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Here we've got some cumin seeds to start us off with, a few curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, are absolutely wonderful. If not, you can get them dried. Check out our website, there's a couple of places there that we've linked up. A little bit of garam masala powder to add just at the end. This is really simple now that we've done that. We're going to start this off in a pan with a touch of oil. Let's go and do it. So we're going to start with a nice wok or a pan. You're going to need a lid as well. As you can see, I'm using a coconut oil today, but you could be using anything you want. Mustard oil, sunflower oil, entirely up to you. I'm just going for the coconut. I think it works really well with this. And as that's heating, we're going to drop in our cumin seeds. And we just want to give them a few seconds to do their thing and infuse the oil. Those curry leaves are going to go in now. Already it smells incredible. We're then going to go for our chopped onion and our garlic and ginger. I'm using chopped garlic and ginger, but you could be using garlic ginger paste if you wanted to. Just going to add a little bit of salt now. And we're going to let this go on a kind of above medium heat, just for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is coming along beautifully. At this stage we're now going to add our chopped potatoes. These are not cooked, I've just peeled them and washed them. I've cut them quite small. And again, let's go with these potatoes, give them a nice head start for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is looking absolutely wonderful. So these potatoes are still quite hard, but I've got a little head start. Now we're going to add that pureed tomato with that cilantro and chili. I'm going to turn the heat down now to just below a medium. I'm going to grab a lid, pop that on, let it go for about 6 to 7 minutes, and give it a stir every now and then if you want. Okay, let's jump in and take a look now. It's going really nicely. Aside, that's looking beautiful. Now those potatoes are just starting to get nice and tender, which is where we want them to be. Oh, just a point, if this had got a little bit dry, you could just add a little bit of water to it. It depends on how juicy and ripe your tomatoes are. But we've got a lovely looking masala right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our fish. And it all goes. Some lovely pieces there. And like I say, I'm using like a cod or a hamor, but you could be using, for example, salmon, or in fact you can use anything. You could be even You could be putting kind of fish parts in there, like, you know, with the skin and the bone on, like a chopped tilapia or something if you wanted. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our lid back on. We're going to lower the heat, and depending on the type of fish that you've used, but I'm going to let this go for about another 5 to 6 minutes only, and it'll be beautifully done. Okay, off goes the heat. Got a load of steam out there for you. And that is looking gorgeous. I'm really loving that. Check that for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. I'm good. What I am going to add a little pinch or two of garam masala powder, a nice little powder just to finish it off there. I'm also going to add a little bit more cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And just to be a little bit cheeky and spicy, a little bit more fresh chili at the end I like. In that goes. Gonna give that a mix. And that's done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please do click that bell icon just below. And we will see you soon. Lots of love.